This spacious 2007 Cadillac SRX gets an estimated 23 miles per gallon on the highway, and has only 34,036 miles. This 5-door SUV has expansive seats, and is equipped with a powerful 3.6-liter 6-cylinder 24-valve engine, and fluid 5-speed automatic transmission, and has the peace of mind of all-wheel drive. Its electronic features include a Bose RDS audio system with a satellite link and a CD player, an 8-speaker in-cabin sound system, and a computer that displays the vehicle's average speed, average fuel consumption, and its range, based on its remaining fuel. Some of the safety features on this vehicle include privacy glass on all windows, fog lamps, and daytime running lights. Please contact our professional sales staff today to schedule a test drive.